Hello! Video about checking of the Skoda Octavia 2009 factory anti-theft system and several different cars' keys with the multi-brand Pandora 605 tester. This is the multi-brand Pandora 605 tester for checking the factory anti-theft system. Initially, check the car factory anti-theft system. This is a testable car, Skoda Octavia 2009. Initially, open the specified car with its standard key. The indicator on the tester shows that the signal is received and recorded in the memory of the tester. We open the car with this standard key again for the control. Select the desired memory cell with the recorded signal and click on the tester's buttons several times to open-close car's doors. By flashing of the car parking lights, one can see that the car doors are unlocked and are again locked. And so several times. The tester verification is completed. Now check of this tester operation with the keys from the different cars models. Initially, we use the recording of the keys signals in the manual mode, so manually record and erase the signals of keys from such cars as Subaru Outback 2010, Toyota Corolla 2014, Toyota Land Cruiser 100 2007, Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 2008, Kia Ceed 2008, Hyundai Solaris 2015, Kia Ceed 2016, Hyundai iX35 2015, Honda CR-V 2012, Mitsubishi Pajero 2012, Ford Focus 2015, Ford Transit 2015, Ford Explorer 2014, Skoda Octavia 2015, and Volkswagen Golf 2015. Then turn on the auto recording mode, when in turn we press the keys buttons and the tester automatically records and saves the recorded signals. At the same time, turn off the reception mode. We see that the tester saved the signals from the keys in all its 9 memory cells. So, tester works with all the above cars models in both modes. Thanks for watching.